Woo!
Woo!
I mean, I think they all should come in a pretty box like this.
Some of them do.
You're a pervert. Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you how you can get a Milwaukee PACKOUT stock. Wink, wink. It's a lie. That's what the wink means. M12 staple gun in a PACKOUT.
Ooh.
And we've got some 3D printed stuff.
If it fits it.
If it sits, it fits.
Yeah.
So all right, let's get to it.
Wait. They gotta do something.
Like, subscribe.
And share.
Share with your friends.
Who doesn't love to share?
All right.
I know, I like to share.
Okay, so we're gonna get to it, but first we're gonna hide this. What'd you say?
You said you didn't laugh at it.
Oh, about the sharing? Oh, that's this weekend.
Oh boy.
All right, read it. Show it to them.
Oh, okay. Here we go. No.
Oh, the tape.
Can you see it?
Okay, we're doing an unboxing.
Woo!
Is that? Come on, there's something in here.
Oh yeah.
Can you see the blinking sign?
Yes, it's very.
That's like Tuesday's video.
It's very.
But we got the M12 Stapler. We've got some wire. We've got some Knipex. We've got some demo boards over here. We got a box of staples. No, we don't. It's all empty. But tell them the part number and unbox it for them.
Oh, it was the I can't read backward. Wait, where'd it go? It's the 2448-20 because it's the tool only, as he says.
She
it doesn't
does
have the
listen.
battery.
Wow, you open that easily.
I got nails. Wait.
It's got the stapler.
Ka-choo.
Ah, safety glasses.
Oh.
Okay, so hint. Wait, was there the giveaway code in there?
No.
Okay.
I don't know. Actually, I didn't look.
Okay, so this is a hint, right?
No, it's just a stapler.
So this tells you what staples to use. So the previous owner had a son that liked to tinker, and I like automatic staplers because I got tiny, strong, weak hands.
You got the baby hands.
You're just a baby. So, PACKOUT. It really doesn't come in this, but this is what Milwaukee should do, right? When they sell PACKOUTs, they sell foam.
The PACKOUT that Milwaukee should have done.
The PACKOUT.
That can be your title for this video.
Here we go. Let's do this. You guys are going live with us. Come on, ready? Thumbnail.
Ooh.
Wait,
you gotta hold still.
Okay, you guys saw enough there. All right, there it is. Is it sexy? We're not going to talk about this. Ignore this.
And I know it.
So, yes, I used a multi-tool and cut the front of the PACKOUT a little bit.
Yes.
Boom. Check it out. There's the foam.
So you cut it around the battery then?
I did. I cut just right here. If you look at the two.
You would never even know.
Yeah, I did a really good job cutting this.
You did. That's like a professional job right there.
And they put these gussets in here so that when you are latching...
That's a fancy word.
It is. It's a technical fancy word. They put those gussets
gusset?
to support when this lid latches. And honestly, I don't put anything in here. And I'll never use it. Right. So
it'll just sit.
Tool only comes with a does not come with a battery. That's the whole point of tool only. Okay. We're gonna show it off. But I want to show this because I also got the. Where's the part number? NMM1-600 because there are 600. She's going to show you.
Show it. Ooh.
She has shown the nails, the staples.
Ooh. Can you see it? I'm doing the whole like whatever you guys can see it. See.
And nobody wants to carry them around in a cardboard box, so we've got the 3D printed bins, and that is for the small toolbox and the foam encased toolbox that you get from Milwaukee.
There you go.
And I also, while I was at it, 3D printed this guy, which it's in clear. And I guess we could do them in clear if people want.
No, we don't have any more clear left because.
Well, we'll buy more.
Oh, I guess.
Whatever people want.
It's whatever the masses want.
So it can hold more than 600 in here, and unlike this one, this guy is pretty cool because as you pull staples out, they still don't fall and move around in here as much. So you have to take all but one half of section out. And
your OCD wouldn't let you not have dividers.
I needed dividers, yeah. So the sides will have the same amount of space, but they're going to be a little tighter because of just the confinements. But you'll be able to get more than one whole stack in there. The lid closes, okay? So let's go ahead. Let's close this puppy up. and let's do some stapling.
Ooh.
Okay, so I got a piece of pressure treated and a piece of 3/4 inch pressure treated ply. I got some wire, got the staple gun. I'm gonna do this thing that's
You
like...
should get closer so they can see you when you undo it.
So what was the first thing I did wrong when I bought this?
You tried putting the staples in.
I tried putting the staples in here. Okay, so staples go in here, and I'm not gonna put staples in it yet, but it's got dual safeties, one on each side, okay? And then it's got this guy.
I can't see it.
It's got this guy, right? So you've gotta have all this pressed for this thing to work. So if the wire is in here, it's not gonna fire. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead, right? We did it like OSHA wise. No battery was in it. Okay? It's got the hook. It's got little rubber overmold. Pretty nice. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, okay, ready to go? It's got a little task light.
You move too much. They can't see you.
Let's go ahead and fire a staple.
Okay.
Right? Push it down. You don't need to put your hand on it, but you can. Battery is dead. Okay, cool. Gosh, man, it's great for something.
Hey.
Wait, the battery, I mean, oh, I had network cable over here.
Oh, that one's not in.
That is a Bosch.
That is a wrong.
That is a Bosch.
Why is there even one of those over
For the
here?
mini chainsaw!
Oh, jeez. Am I not grabbing the right? Are these the right ones? This is the right one. Why is this not charging?
Because that charger's bad.
Oh,
We've had this
I didn't
conversation.
know that.
Come on.
Where am I supposed to put this one in at?
Okay. Back up, let's just get back over here.
Well, I'm really confused.
Okay. So,
Okay.
as you can hear, fires pretty fast. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a single, and this is a piece of 12.
Move it over here. There you go.
Okay.
So I can see that.
Single piece of 12, nice and secure. So for our demo, right, we're going to go ahead and do double 12s. No,
Oh. Double the pleasure, huh?
this is 14.
Double the staple?
Yeah, this is 14.
Okay, well, I guess we'll see if it works.
Because you guys in the comments will let me know if I'm wrong. Secure, not nicked. Okay.
Is it allowed to be pinched?
Like that it is, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Piece of Cat 6. Can move a little bit, which is good. So we're not over, driven. We're not gonna have.
Can you change how much it goes in?
Can you? I don't think so.
Okay.
I think you just,
It's like a one and done.
you do like a little limp wrist, or But here you go. Show them.
Okay. Can you see that end? And then this end? Whoa.
Okay, so what I want to know is, I want the non-electricians to comment on this video. And I want to know if you would buy one of these for just DIY around the house homeowner stuff. Because I know that I have had to put staples in areas that are smaller than this, and you use the side of your lineman's or your hammer, okay? I also know that if you're doing a ton of nails, that can get tiring, but it's really not that bad. It's really not that hard. But I used to use ones that, were spring-loaded, putting cables. And remember the one, every other staple it would jam?
Yeah.
And so far this thing hasn't jammed once. Now granted, we've barely used it, but that other one jammed.
Like 6 times.
1,
Just
2,
kidding,
3,
like
4,
9.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus the couple days before. So I've shot it 10 times, but the other one misfired every other staple. So I just want to know below, do you think something like this, I think it's, how much was this, 179? Does that sound about right?
Whatever.
Do you think something like that is something that you would get as a prosumer, DIY, home person? Comment below if you think it's worth it. The rest of you who do want it and do want to put it in a pack out like this, you guys can get the Kaizen foam. There's always links in the description. I'll put the staple gun in the description. And if you want to buy any of these cool 3D printed bins, so low profile,
check our website.
Not low profile, small toolbox with or without foam, or standard profile rectangle. Check our website.
Yeah, check our website for prices. Shop.jakeoff.com.
And there you go. I've got it in here. I've got room for other electrical stuff, which is why I put it in a standard full size. Now I just got to get a custom latch. Speaking of custom latches, check out that. Show them that.
It's fuzzy.
That is for this guy, which we will be doing a video soon on. Okay, spoiler, the charge out is back. we're gonna have a full kit. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so thank you 3D Technologies. Thank you Knipex for making nice pliers that I paid for myself. And
What a dig.
not to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, not to me.
Cut your nipples.
Hey, no.
All right.
All right, that's it.
We gotta go. We're doing this Thursday night.
Yeah, we're gonna be out.
We're getting ahead of the game.
That's right.
All right. I'm done.
Okay, great.
I'm
Time to pack out.
Cool.
Bye.
See ya.